Today I'm here with Sasha from Meritage Homes, and we're here at Winding Creek. And Sasha, one of the great things about Meritage is that you all really do listen to your customers. You take some surveys from them, and this new neighborhood that you guys have coming up, Winding Creek Townhomes, is a perfect example of that.
It is indeed. I mean, customer research this day and age is vital to the success of any organization. Whether we survey our customers during the build process or towards the end or during a warranty period, we do the same thing for market research because we want to have a better understanding as to what matters the most for our consumers. And that is actually how we ended up adding an extension to this wildly successful single-family portion of Winding Creek as well, and decided to build a townhome community right across the street.
So talk to me a little bit about this townhome community. How many are there going to be? What can we expect from them?
So we're going to keep this one very intimate. Some of the feedback was that, listen, we're really looking for a great townhome community that offers at least 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage is always a hot seller, and we did exactly that. And we also added a gate to this community to keep it very intimate and very private.
And where are you in the process of actually building these townhomes?
Yeah. So we just started. We poured our foundation. We're about to go vertical and build them up. It's only 40 units, but we've already sold 8 of them. So there's a couple of opportunities to actually be in your home by Christmas.
Okay, well, I'm sure there's going to be some people that want to know more, and we are here at Winding Creek plus the townhomes. So before we go to, are there still some single family homes available?
I'm glad you asked. There's actually a few opportunities left here in the single family segment, as well as the model. By the way, available with all the furniture if anybody's interested.
Which we're in right now, and it's absolutely beautiful.
Thank you so much.
So if there's anyone out there that wants to learn more about the remaining single family homes or the townhomes that you're building across the street here at Winding Creek, what is the best way to do that?
Always, obviously, the website is always your best source for most up-to-date information at meritagehomes.com. But again, the ladies here are Valerie Parks and Virginia Shepard. They're phenomenal additions and sales counselors for us here at Meritage. Always worth a visit to come see them here at the model.
Well, Sasha, it is always great to see you, and ask and you shall receive with Meritage Homes. So if you are looking for that townhome community with that intimate feel, then you'll want to check out Winding Creek Townhomes.